guys, my name is Tasha. In today's video, I am going to explain the do's and the don'ts of deep conditioning. Now, it's pretty obvious why you should deep condition your hair. It's to restore moisture, gain strength, and make detangling easy. Deep conditioning is done correctly while using the proper techniques. Whether you deep condition weekly or you deep condition bi-weekly, deep conditioning is essential to your hair because it helps repair and treat your hair shaft. With all that said, let's get into the don'ts of deep conditioning. Don't apply conditioners to soaking wet hair because when it's soaking wet, it's easy for the conditioner to slide off and it's not penetrating your shaft. So you can dab it just a little bit and then put the conditioner on there. Don't over condition. 20 to 35 minutes is all you need. You don't want to create hyper fatigue. Don't condition daily, but condition regularly. If you see that your hair is starting to get limp and weak, that means that you're over conditioning your hair. And you just need to kind of like back up on conditioning. Maybe instead of doing it every week, do it every 2 weeks. Don't forget to read all the labels. Read everything. Know everything that you're putting in your hair. Those harsh chemicals are not good. You need to make sure you read and look for the healthy ingredients for your hair. Don't microwave your conditioner. When you microwave the conditioner, you destroy all the essential properties you need to help your hair. Just put it in hot water and let it sit for a few minutes or double boil it. Now let's go over the do's to deep conditioning. Do start with clean hair. Please condition your hair when it's fresh so that it can absorb all the nutrients it needs without that product buildup. Conditioner. Do use a conditioner that's for your type of hair. If your hair needs more protein, use a conditioner with added proteins. If your hair just needs moisture, use the conditioner that's for moisture. Do apply conditioner to the ends of your hair. Be generous. Slap a whole bunch of that stuff on there and saturate your ends because that's what really needs to be conditioned the most. Do deep condition regularly. Whether that's bi-weekly, weekly, or monthly, it's just your preference. Whatever your hair needs. Do use a wide tooth comb to detangle. Start at the ends of your hair and work your way all the way up to the scalp so that you can get that conditioner distributed evenly. Do alternate between conditioners. Too much protein is not good and too much moisture isn't good either. You need to alternate to keep a balance, so keep balance in mind. And last but not least, do steam your hair or wear a heat cap. It lifts the cuticles so that it can boost the effectiveness of the deep conditioner. All that moisture and ingredients can get in. In conclusion, deep conditioning is essential to your healthcare routine, especially when done properly. I hope you guys like my video. That's all for today. If you liked, please subscribe, share, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.